Great.
All right, we're about to get our tennis on.
I'm gonna learn how to play this tennis.
And I'm gonna teach.
Oh.
Woohoo! Hey everybody, my name's Nina. I'm not a pro, but I do enjoy playing. Ready?
Ready.
I'm gonna put my shades on.
All right.
Yeah, let's get serious. This is the first form. It's the kind of more on the balls of your feet, right? So you're ready to move. Once you see the ball coming towards you, let's say it's gonna come on your right hand side, step back with your right foot. Okay, bring your racket down, facing down, hand up following the ball. Okay, and then come forward, racket straight, wrist back, bend the elbow a little bit, and then up and follow through with your hips, and elbow up. Perfect. Step forward.
Okay.
So it's kind of like your hip is forward, right? This is for your back hand. So you're holding with
Excuse my balls.
both your hands, your pinky almost off of the racket. It's a good tip. Okay. So this one, you bring the racket back, straight forward, lean into your right foot, straight forward, facing forward, and back up and twist your body. Looks good, feels good. And you always have to have balls in your belly. That's the only way you know you're pro. Back on your toes, side to side. Move a little bit this way. Move a little bit that way. Move a little bit this way. Move a little bit that way. And turn to the right. And left. And forward. And back. And stop.
Awesome.
Woohoo! You're ready.
Big thank you to my friend Nina who's teaching me tennis.
Where are we?
I'm gonna keep working on that follow through. And thank you to Coach David who we met on the courts who gave us a mini tennis lesson and taught me a card trick right after this.
Go fast.
That's one.
These two fingers behind you, scrape behind these two other fingers like this. Grab it, and then release like that. That's the beginning of doing it. Okay?
If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. See you next time.